It's just a huge mess right now, isn't it?
Absolutely. But it's super fun.
It's very fun. It's fun. I like it. It's like exciting. Like I leave in 10 days. Wow. She's helping me make a paper copy of my list of things I need to pack. Yep. Because it just like helps if someone else writes it down for you. And so like you're like, oh, I need to remember this, and they also know things to take with you.
Recommend things for you. Like a couple of things, like you don't have PJs written down.
No. Whoops. Or like a sports bra or
like just like small things.
Yeah.
That like I find easy, like when I've traveled, this is what's helped me stay organized.
Yeah.
So.
Right, so right now I am currently doing my laundry just so I can get everything together for packing to go home so I could pack to go to Italy. I'm also currently exporting a video right now. I've been working on exporting a lot of videos. Like this is just a few of the videos that I've been working on to upload while I'm gone, and like I have my bed all set out ready to go of things that I need to pack with me to go. Today's Sunday and I leave on Friday and I go home to Des Moines on Wednesday. So I have 2 more days here. So I needed to do laundry now. Trying to get as many videos edited and uploaded as possible because I just need to get those done as soon as possible. So I'm at the chiropractor, which is the last time I'll be going before I go to Italy. So how to put this on, guys. Morning guys, so it is currently 8:36 a.m. and I just got a text from my mom and she's like, can't wait to see you tonight. So I totally thought that she knew that I was coming home tomorrow, but she wants me home tonight, so I have to like actually pack tonight. I was planning on packing later and packing after I got back from work, but apparently I had to go home after work. So I had to start packing all of the stuff that I have up in my college town where I'm staying at over the summer to take home, so that way I can pack to go to Italy, because obviously I have all of my essentials up here and I obviously need them on my trip. So I have my suitcase laid out on my bed over here, and then on this bed over here I just have everything laid out that I'm taking with me on my trip, and then I have checklist of like everything that I'm gonna take with me, but I put like little dots of everything that are up here. So I have some of it laid out on my bed, but obviously like I don't have my makeup up here and everything. So I'm gonna do that while I'm watching YouTube videos. Right now I'm on Gabby's video. So I don't know if you can tell, but it is just downpouring right now outside. Oh my gosh. Anyway, right now I am on my way to get my nails done. I haven't got my nails done in forever. I'm gonna get a dip powder because I know it lasts a lot longer and I want it to be able to last for the month that I'm in Italy. And then I'm getting my brows done. I'm getting them waxed and tinted today, so that will be interesting. I haven't gotten that done in a long time. And then I have to work later tonight, so I'm gonna continue packing when I get home and hope for the best. All right, so I just got my nails done. I asked for dip and I think she got confused when I said I want to keep them short. I think she thought that I meant that I want acrylic short. So I got acrylics as well, but you can't really tell because they're so short and everything. But I've never had acrylics or dip done to my nails before, so it feels kind of weird. I'll have to get used to them, but they look super cute. I just got plain white because I'm taking a lot of outfits with multiple colors with me on my trip, but they look so good. But right now it is currently 10:31. I have my brow appointment at 11:20. It is still raining really hard, but I don't know what I'm gonna do because it's over an hour until my brow appointment and I don't want to like get out of my car until I have to go. All right, I found the gum. I just don't know what to get. I don't know why this is such a hard decision. I'm gonna go with this one. Possibly. I actually decided that I'm gonna go with this one. It has like a cool packaging where it's like in a box. So I thought that would be easier and would less likely get crushed when I'm shoving it in my backpack all the time. All right, good morning everyone. It is currently 8:31 a.m. or now it's 8:32. I have my dentist appointment this morning at 8:40, so I gotta go into that. Then I'm gonna go get my glasses adjusted. I have to go to the bank today, start packing, taking pictures of the outfits I'm gonna wear so I know exactly what outfit is what. They said my teeth looked really good, so also I need to fix this exposure. This is a different camera, so I'm not used to it. It's also kind of bright up, but yee. So good. I'm at Estilo to get my pedicure, and you guys are probably wondering, Catherine, you literally got your nails done yesterday. I don't trust a lot of people with my feet because one, I hate my feet, and two, I'm very ticklish, and so I only trust the people at Estilo when I do my pedicures. Focus on my nails. I gotta figure out how to mess with the exposure because I really don't know. No, not that. Do that. Ah, there we go. Figured it out. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Hi, how are you today?
Good.
Who are you here to see? Or tell me your name.
Catherine, I'm here to see Lacey.
Lacey. Thank you. Yeah. Let her know you're here, Catherine.
All right, thank you. For the past like 2 hours, I have been going through and like taking pictures of all of the outfits that I will be wearing in Italy and then putting them on my phone and kind of editing them to say like what day I'd wear them. So like for this one, like what the outfit I'm wearing is and like what day. So I did that for basically all of the outfits that I'll be wearing in Italy. So that's like a little sneak preview of what I'll be wearing. So I was waiting to do that, so now I can officially pack all of my clothes up, and then while I do that I'm gonna watch Letters to Juliet, which is a movie based in, pretty sure Rome, or it's based in Verona, Italy. It was like, I'll get in the mood for Italy by watching the movie, and that's kind of based in Italy. So I'm gonna pack up my clothes and put them in my suitcase. I'm trying to get everything packed. I have my checklist that my sister and I made. What I'm doing is I am highlighting everything, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go in and officially check everything off on the list. I just fit basically all of my clothes the whole month in this one bag. Well, plus my athletic clothes are in here in pajamas, but like all of my like day clothes and everything all fit in here, and I'm super like proud of myself. Also, still on Letters to Juliet. Yay. I'm basically packed to leave. I have this side and just like this side packed. It's just like last minute stuff that I need to add and that I'll be using today. I have my airport outfit laid out, and then I also have my carry-on and my purse that I'll be taking with me. Today is Thursday and I leave tomorrow morning. So I'm doing all the last minute stuff today, and I had footage from Target yesterday, but I accidentally deleted it off my camera, so we're doing it. And I also forgot to bring my camera, so I'm using my phone. But I'm at Target, so I'm gonna get my last minute things. So let's do this. haven't been in Des Moines in a while and they completely rearranged the Target, so now I have to go find where everything is at. Got the goods. So I went into REI because I got Chacos like back at the very end of May, and I kept on getting foot cramps whenever I tried to put my foot inside of them. So it was kind of annoying, so I'd have to take my foot out, let the foot cramp go through, and then retry to put my Chacos back on. So I went in and wanted to see if I could, like, maybe I just had them adjusted differently and that I needed to adjust them correctly. So I asked, and this guy was helping me, and he was telling me how, like, maybe we should try, because I had a 2-strap Chacos. I think they're called the Z2s, and he let me try the 1-strap Chacos, and he said, like, he noticed, like, my foot didn't do the weird thing that my foot does when I put on the Z2s. So I got the Z1s, Z1 Chacos, and they have, like, more of a cloud bedding, so they're actually a little more comfortable. So I got different Chacos, and luckily they just let me exchange them. And shout out to REI for being amazing and super helpful with everything. But I'll show you guys my new Chacos. So these are the new Chacos that I got. They're super cute. Also, I realized I also deleted footage after I got my toenails done, so these are what they look like. They're like a hot pink, but in other lighting they look red, but they're hot pink. I'm having trouble deciding between this black sweater and this gray jacket. I don't know which one to get. I did go with the black one because it's warmer for the plane, and the gray one, I already have bringing a gray sweater with me, so yeah.